All right, everybody. It's Aiden, Dad, and Mom, and we are here to have Aiden unbox one that he got from, what was it from? eBay in the mail today on Saturday.
A DVD.
And this is a DVD. It's WordWorld, where words come alive. Picture Day. Front, side, and the back. What do you say we open it up, buddy?
Good idea.
And Aiden is going to unwrap it for us. What do you think of that, Aiden?
Good idea.
All right. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside.
Ooh, look at all the artwork.
Pretty artwork on the
Oh,
insert.
got a book. Wow, and look at that. Lift up the
there
DVD and
is
see
your
what artwork
DVD.
is underneath it.
I think I see a duck.
Ooh,
There's
look
a
at
duck. All right. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Goodbye. The end.